Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Canva and Photoshop, two of the most popular design tools used by creatives, marketers, and businesses worldwide. I'll walk you through their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, and more. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly which platform suits your needs better. And after watching this video, if you decide to go with Canva, check out that link that I've added down there in the description. If you use that link, you will get access to a premium course and some great Notion templates, all for free, but just through the link. Now let's get started. First off, Canva is a graphic design tool that is very easy to use. It works online, so you don't need to download anything. It's great for everyone, whether you're just making social media posts or running a small business and need marketing materials. Canva, it's all about simplicity. With a drag and drop editor and tons of ready-to-use templates, you can make professional visuals quickly without any fuss. On the other hand, Photoshop is the go-to tool for professional designers. It's made by Adobe and is packed with advanced features. Now, Photoshop lets you do everything from detailed photo editing to creating custom graphics and digital art. It's popular among photographers and creative professionals who need precise control and high-quality results. And when it comes to features, Canva is all about being simple and being fast. It gives you tons of pre-designed templates to choose from, plus a huge library of stock photos and videos. The interface is very simple to use, so anyone really can jump in and start designing. You also get basic photo editing tools, options for collaboration, and even AI-powered design suggestions. Since it's web-based, you can use it on any device without downloading anything. Meanwhile, Photoshop is packed with powerful tools for editing and creating. It's great for detailed photo touch-ups, working with layers, and creating complex designs. You can use advanced brushes, masks, filters, and even dive into 3D design. Photoshop can handle big, complicated projects, but takes more time to learn compared to Canva's easier setup. Now let's talk about the user experience. Canva is super simple to use. You can sign up and start creating in just a few minutes. It's perfect for people who aren't designers but still want great results without spending hours learning. Plus, Canva's collaboration tools make it very easy for teams to work on the same design in real time. Now, on the other hand, Photoshop has gotten easier to use over the years, but it still is a tool built for professionals. The interface can be a bit overwhelming for new users, and learning everything it offers takes time. That said, if you're familiar with Adobe's tools, it's a powerful and very smooth experience. When it comes to integrations, Canva works with platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and social media channels for quick and easy publishing. It also connects with popular marketing tools to make your workflow smoother. Photoshop, on the other hand, integrates with Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, this lets you use apps like Lightroom and Illustrator and After Effects, making it a great choice for professionals who need a full set of creative tools. Pricing? Canva has 3 plans. Canva Free costs nothing. Canva Pro is $6.50 per month for one person. And Canva Teams is $5 per person per month with at least 3 users required. Photoshop also has 3 options. Photoshop alone is $22.99 per month. The photography plan with Photoshop and Lightroom is $19.99 per month. And the Creative Cloud All Apps bundle is $59.99 per month. Now, the last one includes Photoshop and more than 20 other Adobe apps. So which one should you choose? What a wonderful question. If you're looking for a fast, user-friendly design tool with great templates and easy collaboration, Canva is the one you should choose. But if you need advanced editing power, precise control, and professional-grade tools, Photoshop is unbeatable. It all comes down to what you need and how deep you want to go into the design work. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.